and welcome to the One News. My name is Annisa Rahmaditha and I will be accompanying you to 30 minutes for words. Our story today is about the earthquake in Lake that has afflicted the people since early August. Numerous earthquakes are still following until today. The story more and more feelings. We are going to see how the current decisions is after the latter earthquake and how people deal with the stations. Firstly, we will be going live to our reporter in area. I am continuing to Abimanyu, who is now in Lombok.